Look at this smallmouth. What? What? All right. Had breakfast. It was awesome. Eggs, sausage, bacon, coffee over the old campfire. Wife and I decided to go out for a little while, do a little exploring. We checked out a couple wineries, had some wine. Then we hit some food stands, picked up some smoked food, which I'm pretty excited about. I got some ribs and some armadillo eggs waiting for me when I get back. But right now, my mind is on catching more fish. So this is round 2. I'm paddling my way up. And hopefully catch a few more smallmouth, maybe even a muskie. We'll see. Stay tuned, guys. All right. Gotcha. All right. Don't jump. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. Whew. Man, they're strong. Love it. Come on, buddy. Ooh, oh, it came off at the boat. Oh, oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh, came off. God dang it. Oh, man, they were tough. They get in that current. He was just working the current. I see him spun around. He came right off. Oh. Well, at least I know they're still here. They seem to be a little deeper. So I'm just slowing it down and letting the bait sink down a little bit further. But, oh, that was heartbreaking. That was a nice fish. Oh, man. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. I want to get another one. Man, they fight like... Whew, they hit like a freight train. Wow. Wow. Oh, man. There we go. Man. Ooh, this one's strong. Ooh, big head shakes. Oh, stay down. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Gotcha. Not a giant. Man, they're strong. I love it. Whew. Yeah, he's hooked good too. All right, buddy, hold on. This little dude is strong. It's amazing how strong they are. Pretty little fish. All right, go find me a bigger one. I moved down a little bit where I was getting some short strikes down here earlier with the chatterbait. Put back on the spinnerbait. Put back on the spinnerbait and got bit again. Man, those fish are so strong. It's such an addicting bite. Just, it's nothing like it. Nothing like it. Oh yeah, go on, go on. Oh yeah, come on, come on. Stay pinned, stay pinned. Come on, stay pinned. Come on. Go in that net. Yes, yes. All right, good one too. Man, can they fight? Oh, you're hooked pretty good. Easy, boy. I'll let you go. Whew. Another good one. Look at that. This time on the chatterbait. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh man. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, yeah. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. What a phenomenal, phenomenal tributary. Didn't get a chance to fish the Susky, so I'm a little disappointed. Had to wait for the water to come down, but it was well worth it to hit this little trib. Catch me some beautiful quality smallmouth. Get to check out the local digs. Oh, couldn't be happier. Anyway, I'm hungry as all heck. I'm gonna head back to the campsite. I got some ribs, some armadillo eggs, some beers, and a campfire waiting for me. As always, I appreciate your likes, your comments, your views. Keep your hook sharp, your lines wet, and your reels cranking. And I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.